What we have here is the HP Stitch S1000, which is a 3.2 wide meter dye-sublimation machine, and it can do both direct onto fabric, which is your polyester materials, or on paper transfer. And it runs 4 basic colors, CMYK, and we don't have to change the colors if you are transferring from either on paper or on fabric. We still use the same type of colors. So I'm about to run a job just to show a quick demonstration on the colors and how the quality comes out. So you can see already how vibrant the colors are, but they will pop up more the moment you take it to the heat press and show you how it comes out. But as you can see, they're quite solid. And right now I'm running on a 4-pass profile, 70% colors, but then direct on fabric.